beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are talking about skin undertones. We have treated skin types, the oily skin, the dry skin, the combination skin. Now we are going to treat skin undertone. What are the skin undertone? What is even undertone to start with? Undertone is the color present beneath what you are seeing here. You know, sometimes we will think that this is our undertone. It is under, the actual color of our skin is under this skin. Okay, so there are three types of skin undertone. We have the warmer undertone, the cooler undertone, and then the neutral undertone. So how are you going to know which category you fall into? So number one way to know your skin undertone is the vein test. Look at the vein here on your wrist. Okay, if you take a close look at it, the vein here, what color are you seeing? Like for me, it is green. I am seeing green here. So if you are seeing a green vein, you have warmer undertone. But if you are seeing a bluish or a purple or a reddish vein, sis, you have cooler undertone. And if you are seeing both, like you are seeing maybe blue or green or red and green, you have neutral undertone. Undertone is very important. It is good to know your undertone. So while choosing foundation, like now I have warmer undertone. If I use a foundation that has cooler undertone in it, the foundation will come out looking ashy or gray on my face. But if I go with a foundation that has warm undertone, it's going to complement that warmness I already have in my undertone. So number two way to know your undertone is jewelry test. Even though these are not 100%, but you can still see atom of truth in them. So I have here gold jewelry, I have here silver jewelry. I wore them like this purposely because of this video. So take a look at my face and this gold earring. Let me come a little bit closer. You will notice that this gold earring complements my skin more than the silver. For me, the silver looked washed out. Can you see that? Take a look at the gold and take a look at the silver. So if gold jewelries complement your skin, that means you have warmer undertone. But if silver complements your skin, you have cooler undertone. If you look good on both, you have neutral undertone. So another way to know your skin undertone is during the sun exposure, during the summertime. If your skin gets tan very easily, what do I mean by getting tan? Like getting darker very easily, you have warmer undertone. Like during the summertime, if I step outside of my door and run my errands, by the time I get back home, I will notice that I look darker than how I was looking before I leave the house. Okay? So, but if your skin, you get sunburn and your skin turns a little bit red, as in you have this reddish, things going on your face, since you have cooler undertone. So let me repeat, for somebody that has warmer undertone, you will get darker in the sun very fast than somebody that has cooler undertone. But you will not get sunburn. But for somebody that has cooler undertone, it's going to be difficult for her skin to get tan. But that person will experience sunburn and some reddishness going on around her face. So another way to know your skin undertone is using a white paper sheet or going to a white background, standing in front of your window, and then you place a white paper sheet like this, close to your face. So if your face is reflecting yellow, like now, even though I have foundation, but I can still see some yellowiness going on around my face, then I know I have warmer undertone. So, but if you place it like this and you are seeing like pinkish, reddish, type of color going on, you have cooler undertone. And if you are experiencing both, that means you have neutral undertone. So I hope this video is very helpful, for people, for beginners who are about to enter into wearing makeup. Knowing your skin types, the oily skin, like I said at the beginning of this video, the dry skin, the combination skin, the normal skin, and then knowing your skin undertone. Are you on the warmer side? Are you on the cooler side? Are you on the neutral side? It will help you to choose your foundation, your concealer, your makeup in general. Very easy. Some people complain, oh, I wear this foundation and it turns out gray. Sis, the problem might be you choose a wrong undertone for your foundation. The same thing applies to your concealer. The same thing applies to your all over powder. So these things are very important. If you are beginning to start wearing makeup, please check out your skin types and then your skin undertone. Hope this video is helpful like always. If it does, kindly give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please. Then I will catch you in my next video. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. Bye.